Hey, Glam Beauties, welcome back to my channel, Madam CJ Mam Glam, and this is take 3 of this video. My mouth is dry, I'm sounding like a bumbling idiot, but your girl is on point still. We're going to be unboxing the Boxycharm for the month of February 2019, not 18, but 19. I made that mistake on my last video. But before we get started, I know I said I was not going to buy any more, but look how gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look how gorgeous that is. I just had to get it. It had to go in my beauty studio. And I picked it up at Ross on yesterday for, let me see, $3.99. I couldn't pass that up. I started to get 2, but I'm like, no, you don't need 2. So let's get started with the showstopper. We're gonna get started with this here swatch that I have on my hand from Pretty Vulgar. It's their bronzer, and this is how it looks. That is a nice color on me. And this retail for 32 bucks. Yeah, I couldn't pay 32 bucks for this though. I'm sorry. So Too Faced, this retails for 24 bucks. I have so many of these. I have so many. When I was working at Ulta, Too Faced would come and they just gave me a lot of samples. I have a whole lot of those. So this is nothing. I mean, I love it. Don't get me wrong, but it's nothing to brag about because I have too many. I could have used a waterproof. That's what I need. Okay, and we got Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. And this retails for 18 bucks. And this is how this primer look. It's pink, which I love that. Cute little pink. So I got to try that out. And then we have the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream, and it retails for 20 bucks. I haven't used my other one yet, but I've heard so many good reviews on that. So, you know, I'm going to have to pull this on out and use it. And then we have the Nude Stick Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. I butchered Luminous up a moment ago, and I just kept staring at it. That's why I had to redo the video, because I stared at it so long. I'm like, come on, brain, catch up with your mouth, with the words that's coming out of your mouth. Well, anyway, this was 24 bucks. So this is how this look. So, and that will conclude my Boxycharm unboxing. Until next time, Glam Beauties, smooches. Bye-bye.